Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Now we're going to talk about the P sound. So as you've noticed this trend that the sounds in English tend to blow out more air, but in Spanish they don't. So let's take a look at some examples. In Spanish, the word for potato is papa. Yeah, that's not dad. That's dad is papa. There the accent is important. Same kind of phonetic situation though, just stress on the different syllable. So potato is papa, but potato. The next word is pineapple, and that's piña. Pineapple. The next word is why. That's por qué. Por qué. A similar phonetic word, not the same meaning, but phonetically is pork. Pork, right? Por qué. That's not what it means. Just phonetically, they're kind of sound like they'd be similar. And then the final word is pulir. It means to polish. Pulir. You might ask why I chose that. I chose it because I wanted to have words with the different vowels, and that's one that has P and then U. Pulir. It's not really a great word for a beginning student. You're not going to use that too much to polish. But anyway, that's what it means. Pulir. And phonetically, a similar word would be pool. So you hear the difference, right? So let's take a look here. We have our little piece of Kleenex to see the difference when the paper moves. When I'm doing the Spanish words, it doesn't move. When I do the English words, it will move because air's coming out. Your goal is to practice the Spanish words and to make sure that the paper does not move. All right, so here we go. Spanish words first, English words second. Papa, potato, piña, pineapple, por qué. Oh, it moved a little bit. Let's try that one again. Por qué. Por, maybe it's the R. I'm having a hard time not getting any air coming out of my mouth there. Por qué. Pork. Pulir. Pool. There you go. So there you can practice, find a list of words starting with P. And so you can see they might move a little bit. Even for me, I had a little bit of air coming out. I mean, I'd say the goal is that no air would come out, but actually when we speak, it's impossible that no air comes out. It's just that in English, a lot of air comes out on the K, the P, and the T sound. So just keep practicing, make a list of words, and I hope you have fun doing that. And I know your accent is getting better because you're really putting all of this stuff to work. So just remember that practice makes perfect.